Okay, buddy. You wanna... Which one do you wanna see?
That one.
Which one?
That one.
Which one?
This one. I love it. See? It's where the bird. Yeah, these truck.
Oh no!
You are watching Leyna's Playhouse! Whoa! Like this. Oh, look. Look. Oh, like this. Ours, look guys. Look, this is all we can push it. See, it's a green one. When we push it. See?
What does the yellow button do, buddy?
This one. This one?
Oh, it starts the truck. What color is that?
This is orange.
Orange?
And this is green.
Green?
Yeah,
What about the yellow one? What does it do?
it's too late. Like that.
Oh, the yellow one starts the truck, and then the orange one. What does the orange one do?
This one, do like this.
Oh, okay. Orange. What about the green one?
Green one go like this. Daddy, daddy. A green one goes like this.
Green one is for reverse, huh? Who is this little guy right here?
And this is he's birdie. This is the green and that alone starts it.
Yellow starts it.
See?
Wow.
And the orange one say it says beep 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 beep. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And he's a subscribe button.
Beep, beep, excuse me. Oh, beep, 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 beep. Whoa, oh, no. Okay, push, buddy, push.
Huh?
Push, push. Vroom. Vroom. Whoa, body truck is strong. Wow. Whoa. Where's Leyna's car? Right there?
Yeah, it's your everything.
The ambulance is Leyna's?
Yeah.
Wow. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
This is Daddy's.
Wow, okay.
No, Daddy's in there. We can just go to the truck.
Oh, wow. Wow, the farmer is driving the truck right now.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Which is the biggest truck, buddy?
That one.
That one? Which is the smallest one? This one is the smallest one?
Yeah, this is Buddy car.
That's Buddy's car. All right. Now push, buddy. Zoom. Wow. What's that?
It's a car.
That's a tractor.
Tractor is charging like this. Doot, 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 doot.
Ooh, what's back there? What's this? What's
Huh?
this?
The ambulance.
Ambulance, huh?
Let's go second.
Whoa! Oop.
Dad, just eat. What's it?
Whoa! Uh-oh. Who truck is this? This is Daddy's truck. Boom, boom.
And this is Buddy's truck.
Buddy's truck is smaller than Daddy's.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's back here? What's back there? What's back here?
A back, and you can open, and the birdie stay over there. That's what you can took.
Really?
Yeah.
You put the birdie in there?
Yeah.
Hmm. Buddy's trap in there, bud.
Yeah. Like this, and then going to start, and then a car goes like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what is this? What color is this?
Orange.
Right?
And then
What color is this then? Where's white? White color. Where's white color?
this one.
That one is white. Where is blue color? Blue, 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 blue.
And here,
Wow. Where is black?
black.
Black, black, black.
That one is black. See, this is black. See, this is black.
Black. Okay.
Yeah.
Where is? You put a bird in there again.
Yeah. And starting like this. Like that, and then goes like, and then orange one goes like this. It goes like beep 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 beep, and then the green one goes like that,
Green.
and then yellow one. This is research starting.
Okay.
What's in there, Daddy?
Hmm.
In there.
Hey, where is silver? Where's silver? You know what silver color is?
What's it?
Silver color. This is silver color right here. That's silver. See that right there?
Silver.
Yeah, silver. Where's gray? Where's gray, bud?
That one. This is gray.
Where?
That one. This is gray. Remember?
Oh, that's gray?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then he's climbing. It goes like this. This goes like this. No, like that. And it's stuck. See? And the birdie stuck. And you can almost birdie. Then we can track.
So what are those? Right here.
This one is for Leyna, and the token in a track. Mine. It's mine. No, it's mine. It's mine. Hi, take that ball down. And birdie don't want to go to mine. That on the birdie. That on the do in the crack it. Put it in there and the speed of track it.
What's that?
It's but and they're stuck. See? It's not. And this one is
That one was too big, huh?
yeah, this one's ooh. You can put this one. This one's not stuck too.
Okay. That one fits.
Yeah. You can put the so biggest. You can put this hatchimals there and then this. And you can put things. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Please click and subscribe for more videos of Leyna's Playhouse and click here and here for more videos of Leyna.